Hello, we are team number 1 and today we're going to explain our interactive learning product. Our interactive learning product is about Burger King. We're going to explain and analyze a campaign called Scary Clown Night. In this slide we can observe our index. We're going to explain a little introduction about this presentation. Next we're going to see Halloween, our campaign selected, and some elements about this campaign. Finally, our conclusion. Holidays like Halloween, Christmas, and Valentine's Day have become key moments for brands to connect emotionally with their audience. These dates allow the creation of memorable campaigns by using symbols, emotions, and behaviors that are characteristic of each celebration. In the case of Halloween, fur, costumes, the supernatural, and fun all become perfect creative tools for delivering disruptive messages. Through emotional marketing, companies can increase brand recall, virality, and social media engagement. This was the case of Burger King's campaign called Scary Clown Night. This campaign is an original concept that is used in Halloween. So let's talk about the history of Halloween. Halloween is a popular holiday celebrated every year on the night of October 31st, on the eve of All Saints' Day. The celebration involves creepy or spooky costumes and decorations associated with the world of the dead, witches, spirits, and other terrifying creatures. The origin of Halloween goes back to a pagan festival celebrated with the cells over 2,000 years ago, called Samhain. The festival, which took place in what is now the United Kingdom, Ireland, and northern France, was held on November 1st to mark the start of winter and the end of the harvest. The Celts believed that during Samhain, the souls of the dead returned to the world of the living to visit their homes. Today, Halloween is widely known as a celebration where children dress up as their favorite characters or scary figures and go door to door saying trick or treat to ask for candy. Families decorate their homes with pumpkins and spooky ornaments, especially in the United States, where neighborhoods even compete to be the scariest decorated of all. So, what is Halloween's role in marketing and communication? Halloween plays an important role in marketing thanks to its ability to significantly boost consumption. From seasonal products like candy, decorations, and costumes to entertainment-related services like theme parties, amusement parks, and special events. Halloween drives consumer engagement and stimulates demand. For brands, it's the perfect time to launch exclusive promotions and offers that increase sales and build customer loyalty.
In this slide, we can see different advertisements from brands such as McDonald's, Motortober, Tim Hortons, Burger King, and more. Now that we understand the background of Halloween, let's learn more about the brand chosen for this campaign analysis. The select brand is Burger King, a global fast food chain founded in 1954 in Miami, Florida, by James Maylamore and David Engerton. Burger King business model focuses on offering high-quality hamburgers, sandwiches, fries, drinks, and desserts. The brand emphasizes product customization and customer experience. Over the years, it has focused on product innovation, unique promotions, and remodeling its restaurant to remain competitive in an increasingly demanding market. Some of the most popular items include the Whopper, a flame-grilled burger with lettuce, tomato, onions, pickles, and special sauce, and the crispy golden onion rings. Today, the company has grown to become one of the world's most recognized fast food brands, with more than 800 restaurants in over 100 countries. In this slide, we see that Burger King's logo uses brand colors such as yellow, red, and blue. The main element is a hamburger, and the brand uses to run fronts to give a friendly, welcoming look. And over the years, the look has seen several changes, as shown on the screen.
So, in the previous in campaigns, Burger King has launched the many memorable campaigns focus on authenticity, emotional connection, and differentiation through the flame grilling method. These campaigns often include humor, surprise elements, and customer participation using social media and user-generated content. Notable, notable, yes, examples include Wolper Detour, which took a clever jabs on the McDonald's. It long alive the kid which celebrate customer individually. Okay, in select campaign, uh, we select the campaign is called Scary Cloud Night. It was launched in October 24, the 2017 with a cinematic video invitation. The video tells a story full of horror movie reference and dark visuals and very familiar first to customers like Ronald McDonald. So, in the objectives, the main goals of Scary Close Night were, and the one step is to critically position the brand during Halloween, using the festive context to grab the customer attention. The second one is to spark conversation as social media and traditional outlets through provocative, verbal, and humorous activations.
Media channels. The campaign followed an integrated media strategy that combined both traditional and digital elements. Its central piece was a high quality cinematic TV commercial shared widely on platforms like YouTube and social media. The video told the story of a young man chased by a group of terrifying clowns until he found refuge at a Burger King. This powerful audiovisual piece set the campaign's dark, humorous, and provocative tone. The campaign also encouraged users to post photos dressed as a clowns using the hashtag #ScaryClownNight, fueling online virality. In selected cities, type cities, in selected cities, in-store activations reward the first 500 customers dressed as a clowns with free Whopper, generating interest across media and marketing blogs. Campaign elements. The campaign used several visual and narrative elements. Key among them were a horror-inspired aesthetic, eerie music, dark environments, and the clown figure as a symbol of fear and satire. The clown costume became a tool for customer interaction and participation. Dark humor played a major role in the message, especially by indirectly referencing McDonald's without naming it. The brand's storytelling was reinforced through experiential marketing, turning the customer into part of the spectacle. The campaign was also a smart example of guerrilla marketing, leveraging virality without needing a huge paid media budget. Campaign repercussions. Scary Clown Night was a bold and daring campaign that used Burger King's signature provocative humor. Through storytelling and indirect competition with McDonald's, Burger King captured the attention of millions and reinforced its image as a fearless and disruptive brand. The campaign combined creative advertising with a clear participation mechanic, which generated a strong consumer response and massive organic reach. Audience reactions. Overall, audience reactions were very positive. The video was shared millions of times and discussed by media outlets worldwide, strengthening Burger King's position as a bold and creative brand. From a marketing perspective, the campaign boosted social media engagement and restaurant traffic. However, it wasn't free from controversy. Some people criticized the campaign for mocking a competitor's mascot, calling it a form of advertising bullying. Others were disappointed that the promotion was only available in select sites. Despite this, the general reaction was enthusiastic and praised the campaign's originality. Conclusion: the Scary Clown Night campaign is a prime example of how seasonal marketing can be used wisely to achieve differentiation, emotional connection, and strong brand recognition. Burger King didn't just jump on the Halloween bandwagon, it did so in a way that aligned perfectly with its bold, cheeky brand personality. By using a cinematic narrative, a clear engagement mechanic, and a smart reference to its biggest competitor, the brand delivered a highly effective campaign from both it sparked some debate. Its success came from striking the right balance between provocative humor and professional execution. These are the resources slash references from which we obtain our information. That's it for the project. Goodbye.